Hello, my name is Hasnain Bokhari, and I work at the Willy Brandt School of Public Policy at the University of Erfurt. Starting October 2026, at the Brandt School, we are starting a new specialization titled Digital Policy and AI, which brings me to an important aspect, which is our guest, Silvia Weko. She is a research associate at FAU Erlangen-Nürnberg, and lucky to have you here. And you were also a graduate of this university, Erfurt University. Yes. And one of the aspects that I would like to talk about, which also our specialization deals with, one of the aspects that our specialization deals with, is that what role do you think that data and AI play in global competition?
Thanks. It's a big question. And yeah, it's something that I've been working on a bit. I would say they play a massive role and an increasing role with the importance of artificial intelligence, because some people have also said that data is the new oil, right? This is because it's, the sort of motor of growth of the entire economy. You have to have good data to have good AI, and good AI kind of gives you a leg up. And so what I've been working on a bit, and what also I think some of this regulation is kind of in response to, is the geopolitical risks of the monopolization of artificial intelligence, which of course rests on also the monopolization data. So one of the big problems is, of course, that US big tech firms are incredibly powerful. Politically, of course, but also economically, right? We have entire industries that rely on them for the digital infrastructure. And the problem with this is because they're in such a superior position where they have monopolized data infrastructure, but also software, all these different kinds of, building blocks of a stack that are really crucial, they're able to then squeeze other actors that depend on them. So if you have a monopoly on cloud services, you can just raise your prices if you want to, right? And it bears a certain similarity to also some energy politics that we're familiar with, right? Because in the case of a geopolitical conflict, you can also cut off access to digital infrastructure the same way that, Russia can cut off Chinese access to gas. So that's kind of what I'm working on. I think it's going to be huge, and it's already, the Trump administration, we see this, and I think it's something that's going to continue to be very important, the data and data politics in the EU and internationally.